So we are in here short. Today is March the 2nd, I believe. It's a Wednesday. Grab the short off a 13.10 and a quarter. We're looking for this to take a decent sized move to the downside. We got in with 3 contracts, 3 targets. We risked 4 ticks to get into this trade on 3 contracts. That means we risked $150 to jump in on this one. First target was 1 contract at 13.09 and a quarter, which is 4 ticks or 1 point. Second target was 1 contract at 13.08 and a quarter, or 8 ticks or 2 points. And now we have our third target in down at 13.03, and we're looking for this to move down. That'll be just over a 7-point move by the time we get there. That would give us, I guess, about 29 ticks in total for profit on the last contract, which should make this trade worth just over $500. Total time in this trade so far has been about 15 minutes, maybe 20 actually. And now we're going to kind of see what happens. Now remember that the video I have edited down a little bit for time purposes, because I don't want you to sit here and watch an entire half hour. Today I included my dome in the video just so you can see that it's a white dome, which means on NinjaTrader that it's a live trade. It's real cash on the line. It's not a demo account. Some guys like to video their trades on demo accounts and, you know, try and show them off. It's not really a show-off trade, I don't think, unless you got some real money on the line. Now, it's only 3 contracts, so it's not a lot of money, but it's still real money. Moving in here, pushing downwards. Might have a little bit of support as we approach the 200 moving average, which is the red line there. Might bounce up a little bit from there and then turn and hopefully roll down. Now all these trades that I've been videoing and putting up here, I'm doing because I want people to see that you can make some decent money trading, and with a small account too. So in order to do a 3 contract trade, you actually have to have about $2,000 in an account, which is not a lot of money. The money that we're using on leverage is $1,500 to trade 3 contracts. We need $500 per contract in our account, and of course then you got to have some room on your margin in case the trade goes against you. So we only need about $2,000 in an account to make a trade like this. And if we close this third target, you know, over $500, you're looking at a 34% or so return on the $1,500 that you had to leverage to get into it. And if you look at a risk to reward, only risking $150 to get in a $512.50 trade, you're talking almost a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this is kind of stuff can happen once, twice a day, depending on how you trade. For me personally, this is my first trade of the day, and I will be done after this trade. If I close that last target, there will be no point in me getting back in. And we're there. So, wow, good trade. www.tradingonlinemadeeasy.com. Come join us for our next training.